So we've been using Axis products for over 20 years, and definitely the channel partnership is an enhanced version of the support that we receive, and we're glad to be a part of that.
The relationship between Power Access and Axis Communications is very, very warm. We always feel that we are a true partner in every sense of the word. If we need something that hasn't even been invented yet, they will try to do anything in their power to help us get what we need to satisfy our clients.
Our relationship with Axis has developed substantially over the last few years, especially as our businesses continue to grow. We've had a great support network from the Axis account management team, and even through staff changes, they've been there to support us really well.
Our company is a technology-first company. We pride ourselves in providing out-of-the-box solutions using the latest technology available in the market out there. And we couldn't have done that without a company that's a leader when it comes to video surveillance technology.
Axis is always there to give us the information we need and work along with us to provide the right solution.
I think what makes it really different is that they come in and have meetings regularly with the team, not just the leadership, all the way down to the engineers, and they get ideas and innovation from our team.
Partnering with the right people is how we've been successful. So, and I believe that goes both ways. So, us dealing with Axis and Axis dealing with us is a synergy.
Using simple little tools from Axis like Site Designer, etc., we're able to demonstrate and offer the best solution for the client, and then we can look at price points as we move throughout that journey. It gives us the ability to do that.
Joining the CPP, it is a very good investment for any company to do to make sure that they establish a long-term relationship with their clients, with Axis, and they can maintain that relationship throughout years.
To any company considering joining the Axis Partner Program, I'd say do it. It's more than just selling cameras. It's all about providing the long-term value to the customer.
But more than that, do you want to be a world leader? Do you want to get the recognition? Do you want to be able to deliver the most bang for your buck? Get with the program.